Okay, we're live. No, don't do that.
Can you what? Do to my laptop?
What?
Can you what? Do to my laptop?
YouTube?
No.
Just yet. We're going to
Not yet.
play around with some solids. Alright?
Wait, mommy. You can play with a toy first.
Right, so let us wait until we have a couple persons here. Alright. Alright, so what solids are these?
Spheres.
What's this one?
It's a sphere.
It's a cuboid.
It's the keyboard. And it also has hole.
Alright, so let's go. Alright, so today we're going to be exploring some geometric solids, and there are many geometric solids. So we have a cube.
We have a cube.
Tell them what this one is. What's this one?
A cuboid.
A cuboid.
And this is a sphere.
No, what is this one called?
It's metal.
It's a cube.
It's a cube.
This is also a cube.
And these are both are spheres.
They're both cubes, and they have square faces, what they're called, cube. All right, so this is a
yes, a cube.
Cuboid.
Then what's it called? Cuboid.
All right.
Yeah,
So students, there are some properties. Be quiet now. Be quiet now. There are some properties of solids that we must note. So with this solid here and many solids, we have faces. So the flat surface here, we call this part a face. And this is a cuboid, so it has 6 faces.
This is how a deal.
Let's look at this box. This box is an example of a cuboid. And from this, I'm going to point out...
It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle.
All right, so
this box is a rectangle.
We have edges, and edges are where 2 faces meet. We have the vertex. So all these corner points where we have 3 or more faces meeting, we call them a vertex. And remember, this is called a face. All right, so those are some things that we must note when we're talking about solids. Now we're going to name the solids. So we have this solid, which is called a cuboid.
A cuboid?
And you can note the edges. Let us count the edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 edges.
That's it.
All right. So this cuboid has 12 edges. All right. So let's go. Find me another solid.
Sphere.
A cube. A cube is very similar to a cuboid. Right. Can you tell me how many faces this cuboid has? You can post in the chat. No, the faces are the flat parts, remember? All right, so let's count them. Let's count them. Let's count the faces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So a cube has 6 faces. Let us count the vertices. And the vertices are the corners. All right, let's count the vertices now. Let's go. Let's count 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Awesome. We have 8 vertices in the cube. Great. All right. So let us move to another. Oh, we have the, what is this called, Liam?
A pyramid.
No, it's similar to a pyramid, but this is called a cone. All right. So a cone has 2 faces.
Everything is a cone.
Right. So we have this face here, and we have this one around here. So it has 2 faces. All right. Can I have another solid?
This or this?
You tell me which one.
This.
All right. What is this one called?
A cylindrical.
A cylinder. All right.
Cylinder.
It's a cylinder, and this has 3 faces. That's this one, this 2, and 3. All right, so this is a cylinder. Can you show me another cylinder, Liam?
This is a cylinder.
No. Find another cylinder over there.
This is a Y.
Where is the cylinder?
No.
No, that's not.
No, that's a sphere.
So take up the cylinder over there.
That's a cylinder.
Is it a cylinder?
This.
Does that look like this one?
No.
So that means it's not a cylinder.
No. It's a triangle.
So good.
A cylinder.
This is a cylinder. So we have, how many cylinders do we have?
2 of them.
We've got 2 of them. Awesome. What about this? What do you think this is called?
A triangle.
It has triangle faces, or the bases are actually triangle. This is a triangular prism.
Triangle.
It's a triangular prism.
Triangle.
And a triangular prism has, let's see how many faces.
1.
Let's look. 1,
1,
2, 3,
4, 5.
5. A triangular prism has 5 faces. Let's check out the vertex. How many vertices do you think this has? All right. So you can check out how many vertices there are in a triangular prism and post your response in the chat.
Papa.
All right. So
This Papa.
do you want to count them?
Yes, Mommy.
Let's count them. All right. Let's go. Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Can you take it up?
Yes, Mommy. What?
All right.
Okay.
Come. Come with it. Come, let me help you fix it. Get up with it. Where is it? Let me see. Thank you.
Can you fix it for me?
I just fixed it.
You fix it for me.
All right.
Yay.
So this is a triangular prism, and let us count the vertex, Liam. Let's go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so a triangular prism has 6 vertices.
6, what are these? 6, what are these?
6 vertices in a triangular prism. What about the edges? Let's count the edges. All right, let's go. 1. Look. 1, 2. Look. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you think we got them correctly?
No.
Maybe not. Let me go again. All right. So I'm going to count them real quick.
10.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yes, there are 9 edges in a triangular base prism.
We got the correctly.
What about this one? What is this one called?
A choco.
No.
Sphere.
A sphere. Awesome.
A sphere.
So this is a sphere and it has only one face.
It has one correct.
Right. What about this one, Liam? What is this one called?
A kill.
What is this one?
A what?
A what?
A shape.
It's a solid, and it's called a hemisphere. It's called a hemisphere, okay? So a hemisphere is actually half of a sphere. All right, we also have another, what is this? Another solid. What do you think this one is called? Look at it.
A toilet. A toilet.
It's called
A.
It's called a pentagonal prism. And remember, we name it based on their bases. So the base is where they sit flat on. The base is always the same surface area, the same shape as the top. So we call these two end parts the bases. And in this pentagonal prism, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 faces. All right. What about the vertices? Do you want to guess what the vertices are?
Yes, mommy.
All right. So you can go ahead and count the vertices based on what you might be seeing here. All right. So let's count them together. Remember, the vertices are where more than two faces meet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 vertices in a pentagonal prism. All right, what about the edges? Let's go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 edges, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 edges. So there are 15 edges in a pentagonal prism. Here you go, Liam. Cool, look at this. We call this a tetrahedron. We call this a triangle base pyramid. All right. So this is a pyramid. And when you look at this, you realize that pyramids normally have this point at the top here. So in this triangular pyramid, can you tell me how many faces there are?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 faces in a triangular prism pyramid, and we have some vertices. So let's count our vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. What about our edges?
What about the edges?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 edges. All right.
Is that 6?
All right, so let's see which one we have not covered as yet. All right, so that will be all today. And thank you for sharing with us. Thank you for exploring solids with us. So Liam and I he's my little new teacher. All right, he loves mathematics. He loves shapes and solids and numbers and adding and subtracting. Oh yes. So please check the comment section sometime from now for perhaps an activity based on what we would have explored today in class. All right. And also don't forget to leave a comment on what you would like to see next. Thank you. Bye-bye.